Wow. Good morning. Yes, doing good evening. My hands were not coordinating there. So, let's see what's going on today. Good. How you doing? Welcome to Passion Water. This is a weekly reading, and I'd like to thank returning subscribers for your love and devotion, and those who are new, please have a seat around the table. Enjoy the energy of the readings. This is for Aquarius. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, wherever your significant person is located. Let's see what they would like to tell you. For September 15th through the 23rd, what's going on here? This car would not settle down, so I'm taking it for your car. It literally was causing a division in the deck. I don't know what's up with that. So, we're keeping it for you. The energy starting out for our Aquarius with the full moon in Pisces on the 17th with the eclipse. These energies are basically going to slap you aside the back of your head. It's going to be like your boomer grandparent or Gen X parent is come along and popped you in the back of your head and say, "Wake up, Aquarius, there's something for you to see here." And it starts out with, make a decision. Quit standing on the line of, well, this will do. I guess it's enough. That's all we can hope for. No, it's time to make that decision to do more for yourself. Let's look into this. Let's see what this is about. Sarah, can you give us an idea what Aquarius is thinking about? What decision they need to make? We get the Six of Cups. Something very near and dear to you. Someone you love. Someone you actually have a lot of emotions towards. But this is family, friend, soul tie, lover. There's someone that you find to be very near and dear. Someone, the connection used to be very vibrant. It's kind of, the word I'm looking for here is, it's kind of lost its shine, its appeal. But you're looking at it now to revive it, to bring it back to its former luster. Tell us about Aquarius' decision. What's going on? Let's see. The Five of Swords, the Tower, and the Two of Pentacles. Yeah. Something that you were trying to break free of, break away from. Resulted in a tower for your energy. Because you wanted to be free of this connection. And now you're seeing the value of the connection. You're seeing that it actually adds down to your world. It's as if it, what's the word I want? It not only brings value, it brings the connection completes the circuit for you. What's the next step? I like that tower. Let's clarify the tower real quick for Aquarius. What kind of tower fell when the Aquarius tried to walk away, disconnect from this energy? The Page of Pentacles and the Fool. So the tower was that you saw, that you felt, that you knew they were going to be okay without you. And that caused the tower in your energy. Because you wanted, oh, Aquarius, how dare you? You want this person, when you pull back your energy, to come rushing towards you, begging for your help, your assistance, your love, your attention. And when they didn't, and they were okay without you, that they were starting new opportunities and having new experiences and moving ahead. It hurt. It caused a tower. Aquarius, I do not like reading where my signs of the day are the ones making choices not in their best interest. But you obviously didn't. If this is not your curse, if this is them, then you turn it the way it feels correctly, the way it resonates with you. But someone absolutely thought that this person, this place, this thing, would run back to them, asking for their help, their assistance, their attention. They wanted to feel needed. They wanted to be the hero. And when they weren't, it was very defeating because this person was having new experiences, new opportunities, new starts, and they were happily moving forward. What else is happening with this entity? Because I'm not certain that this is Aquarius. This can absolutely be your person that did this to you. So what is this entity going to do now? Justice, the Six of Pentacles, and the Seven of Cups. What's causing this? The death. Yes, there has to be a transformation. There has to be a new beginning. Leaving the dark, head to the light. Head to the light over here. To bring about fair play. To bring about balance. Equal give and take. Because that is what everyone deserves. Everyone, Aquarius and their person, deserves a new balance. They deserve to be happy. They deserve to be on the same page. and for the clouds to clear and the confusion to lift. And today is that day. This week is that week that the confusion will lift. And that this is the reconciliation of energies. Do I think it's a lover? I don't know. I know it's someone very near and dear to your heart. It can be a friend, a lover, a relative. But someone you distance yourself from, or they distance themselves from you. And they're now seeing that this is not that way to go. That you're not going to come back begging at their feet, or they're not coming back begging at your feet. That this needs to be an equal give and take relationship. That if you want this connection, it needs to be done right, correctly. So with that being said, this is your reading for the week, Aquarius. Who are you reconnecting with to bring a balance? Remember, if they're not willing to do equal give and take, they're not the person in this reading with you, okay? So, if you guys found the channel, please hit subscribe, hit like, hit that notification bell, and remember, I love you each and every one. Namaste.